Let's start by doing it slip knot. And then I'm going to make 44 chains. But you can go on, increasing or decreasing the court with every forgiveness. 4 cliffs are to start. I will count 3 chains. On the 4th, I introduce the needle. And here I do 2 double crochet. I make a chain. I jump 3 chains from the base. On the 4th, I introduce the needle. And I make 3 double crochet here in this chain. To continue, make 1 chain. I jump 3 chains from the base. On 4th, I insert the needle and do 3 double crochet. We are going to go on this way, all over the gully. Ready staff. I repeated all over my current. It stayed that way. A to follow. I will make 3 chains. Go back to the same chain as the base. And I make 3 double crochet. Then we will repeat 3 chains and 3 more double crochet at the same point. Now I'm going to work a gully. Insert the needle here parallel to the group with 3 double crochet in the same space. And I make 3 double crochet here. I make 1 chain. Again, I come at the same point as the 3 double crochet and work 3 double crochet. And I will go on like this until you get there at the beginning. I make 3 chains. And then I insert the needle here at the same point. Where are these 2 groups of 3 double crochet? And I do the 3 points. To continue, I make 3 chains. I leave 1 leftover short wire. And I can finish with tapestry needle. I do in the slide. I leave it on the needle and insert my needle at any of the points or space. I do single crochet and keep doing a single crochet for each point or base space. On the corner, we are going to do 3 single crochet. I keep making 1 point for each point, and I repeat for each corner. 3 single crochet. At the end, we will repeat that same tapestry needle finish. To follow with 1 new wire color. I do in the slide, Introduction to any one-on. I make a single crochet. After 2 chains, now I introduce the needle, taking these 2 handles. And here I make a single crochet. Skips a point from the base. In the next point, make the single crochet. Now let's repeat. Make a single crochet at the next point. 2 chains, and insert needle into these 2. Straps and do single crochet. I jump 1 point and make single crochet. I keep doing this sequence all around. 1 single crochet. 2 chains. I introduce the needle by picking up the 2 handles. I make single crochet. Skips a point from the base. In the next point, make the single crochet. You can make 1 piece at the end. And this is the result of our crochet piece today. I hope you enjoyed this beautiful marker of books. And if you liked it, already leave your like too. Subscribe here on the channel. And I'm waiting for you for the next one video. Until more.